Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Audi Q5, 2009 to 2017? Wondering where each fuse is placed or how to read the fuse box diagram correctly? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram to help you identify the fuses for various systems. Passenger compartment fuse box, left side. Passenger compartment fuse box, left side. In the 2009 to 2012 Audi Q5, manages and protects circuits for interior components such as the infotainment system, power seats, climate control, lighting, and various dashboard electronics, ensuring safe and efficient operation. Passenger compartment fuse box, left side. In the 2013 to 2017 Audi Q5 controls and safeguards interior electrical functions such as the multimedia system, power windows, seat adjustment, interior lighting, and climate control systems. Passenger compartment fuse box, right side. Passenger compartment fuse box, right side. In the 2009 to 2012 Audi Q5 powers, rear outlets, glove box light, and comfort features. Passenger compartment fuse box, right side. In the 2013 to 2017 Audi Q5 supports for rear power outlets, glove box light, and other auxiliary features. Luggage compartment fuse box. Luggage compartment fuse box. In the 2009 to 2012 Audi Q5 powers rear electronics such as the trailer module, rear lights, power liftgate, and parking sensors. Luggage compartment fuse box. In the 2013 to 2017 Audi Q5 controls power for rear systems like the taillights, trailer module, power liftgate, and parking assist sensors. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse, A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.